Hi guys, my name is Michael and this is channel not just for the PS Vita fans. Welcome! The time is finally here and the video about the PC Anniversary Edition mod for the Grand Theft Auto San Andreas PS Vita port is coming your way. So let's not waste any more time and dive deep into the world of enhancements, manual optimized textures and all in between. So the modification is the result of PG team endeavors and the port is a result of Rin and Flow endeavors. The PG team have already published mods for the PS Vita ports of Grand Theft Auto 3, Vice City and Max Payne. You can find the link for the website down below alongside my videos where I covered its features and made a side-by-side comparison. Feel free to browse through it. In today's video we are flying through the installation first, then we are focusing on the changelog, and in the end there is of course side-by-side comparison, so let's get the installation out of the way. Most important thing, you must have Grand Theft Auto San Andreas 2.1 VPK installed, so the latest one. Then download the package, extract it, delete the cache folder from data/GTA San Andreas, overwrite the files with the new ones, install new VPK and happy days! Have fun wreaking havoc across the San Andreas on your PS Vita. Now to the changelog. Let's take a look at the most radical changes that has been fortunately re-implemented by this dope mod, and that being the sick music that has been previously cut out from the PS2 version and includes state-of-the-art, radical, revolutionary, rebellious and anti-establishment riot-inciting songs like Killing in a Name from Rage Against the Machine, I Don't Give a from Tupac, Express Yourself from NWA and Hellraiser from Ozzy. And even though I couldn't find explicit reason why they've been removed, besides the obvious expired licensing issues, I would dare to conspire these tracks have been removed because they were too open-minded and too forward-thinking even for the mighty GTA franchise. And they still are, as they were censored in the remastered trilogy as well. Take-Two is ultimately the corporation that don't give a freak about us, it gives a freak about profit above all, and riding along and brainwashing with other corporations. So at least now we can rest assured the riots we incite across the San Andreas are meaningful and worth it. And if you do ever doubt that they are not, just remember the words of wisdom. They use force to make you do what the deciders have decided you must do. They use force to make you do what the deciders have decided you must do. Now we do what they told you. Now we do what they told you. Now we do what they told you. Clearly, more music have been restored, and you can find the complete list down below alongside all of the rest of it. Other significant changes are, as usual, new design for the live area screen, new manual at the live area screen, new copyright screen, new loading screens, changed radio icons, changed controls that are now close to the PS3 vanilla version, and revoked menu graphics for the classic PC version. There have been also many significant in-game general graphics changes like revoked and manually optimized textures from the PC version of Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, about 7,000 textures like grass, ground, asphalt, walls, billboards, signs, sand, sidewalks, roofs, etc. The textures of discs, tires, headlights, steering wheels have been replaced from the PC version. The grass and rocks have been added throughout the state of San Andreas. The cut elements from the PS2 version have been returned, the Four Dragons casino design, the pray and spray in the Royal Casino area, and we absolutely can't forget about the added missing chimney smoke and flies in the hot dog tents. There is also the whole category of fixes, including fixed models of all motorcycles, trailers, cars, Nebula, Cheetah, Dozer, Dumper, Yankee, fixed lighting of various light sources, fixed weapon brightness, fixed vinyls on cars, fixed glare textures on cars, plus many other fixes that you can scrutinize down below.
That's another funeral you ran away from, fool. Just like mine. Hey, She was my mama too. Not for the past 5 years, she wasn't, nigga. And where the fuck you think you going?
Get out of my face. I'm going to see Steve.
All of the cheats are working and they are listed in the electronic manual pages 22-23. Reimplemented has been honored with the cheat of his own for the weapon set number 4. You just need to press select plus left trigger in order for the keyboard to pop up, and then you just type the cheat in. Jets, jetpacks, helicopters, stunt planes, bulldozers, tanks, pedestrian riot, pedestrian chaos, pedestrians with guns, it's all in here, waiting for you to kick some enemies' asses, so let's not waste any more of your precious time and activate this ancient mechanism of dodging the bullets with the sheer power of the deception. Now to the fundamental age-long question that needs to be answered. What's the performance like and what are the drawbacks? I've seen some rumors that the performance is considerably lower, and according to my test runs, this is absolutely not the case. As far as I saw, it stays in the same spectrum as in the vanilla version. That means around 20 FPS when you are slaughtering innocent passerbys with a chainsaw, and around 30 when you are not. Also, just make sure when you are doing these test runs, you set the toggles to exactly the same values. The draw distance, traffic mode, resolution, shadows, car reflections, overclock, as well as all the values in the configurator app have to be the same in order for you to find out what it runs like and to objectively compare it. And even then, it isn't exact science. It's not like we've got any tools, we've got just our own senses to guide us. And my senses are telling me it is indistinguishable, well, at least the frame rate parts, and all the other parts are of course very well distinguishable. The manually optimized textures, re-implemented audio and flies near hot dog tents. It's all very well visible even to the naked eye. And what are my first impressions of the PC Anniversary Edition mod for Grand Theft Auto San Andreas PS Vita port, you may ask? Clearly, I'm not the die-hard visuals and frame rate zealot. However, I'm certainly die-hard killing in the name NWA Hellraiser zealot, and that means I'm all for it. I grab my Vita and grip it hard, like it's my last time to shine. I tap the "oh dude" cheat in to spawn Hawk Hunter Jet right to me. I jump right in and launch a long-range missile to cause some catastrophe. Yeah, it definitely sounds good to me. Now on a more serious note, I do like this mod a lot and I'm truly thankful that it was created and provided to us for free without a charge to reap its benefits. And this way I wanna show my profound gratitude and send the thundering ovations to all of the devs that took part in this mod and port in one way or another. Huge thanks to you guys, keep it up, it's greatly appreciated. In the end, I've got a special message that the modders all across the globe want to send to the Take-Two Interactive, and it goes something like this. If you enjoyed this video guys, please like, comment, watch some more, share, it means a lot to me and to the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to check out our Discord server, where you can find out about everything up front, and follow me on social media. There is at least one video coming out every week, subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.